You see, my friend, I remembered vividly well in 1942 when we were growing up. We don't have all these social media rubbish that drag you young people into depression. We don't see someone doing the bad thing and we allow them saying it's not my life, it's not my body. Let them kill themselves, let them damage their body. Our elders used to say, and when I say elders, I mean people like me, that when your neighbor is eating a deadly insect and you don't stop them, it's kurukere. When I say kurukere, I mean it's onomatopoeia, painful noise when they stop you in the night when you try to sleep. Which term?
Everybody's another crazy day, man. See them looking at me, I want look about Tashi. One fear me, one let Demi be Guru Maraji. And you are on our channel, the Viral Room. Don't be small thing, no. You know they pay for here. It's all about repping the streets and letting them know. Check on more.
Babe, someone just shared this link with me. That's mad. I think it's a reality show of tracking people with drones from afar. This is sick.
Oh my god, that's interesting. When will you go to the site where I need you to check the price of my bag?
Wait a minute.
Watch us live for YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your family or friends so we know for sponsor your burial.
Never bring the light.
I'm just kidding, man. So today as we fly our Ninja drone for the highway, we see one fine girl, they walk out, they go. And we see some boys for one corner, they come out. And you know say that road is dangerous. How this thing go end, we don't know. But as they watch us live.
What are you watching?
I'm watching a YouTube channel.
You're supposed to be reading.
What's your problem, Arva?
Never mind.
Guy, who's your girlfriend?
The new fiancé.
Yeah, whatever she is. Where is she?
She traveled. What about?
Okay, look at this.
No, but as they watch us live for our YouTube channel, waiting go happen, how this thing go end, you will see I'm live for our channel today. And this kind of content where I know.
Bro. I just used biometrics on this girl. She's a black belt karateka. Black belt.
Nah, lie. Oh shit. Did you guys just hear that? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This episode was a banger.
Wait, what do they do for you now?
I'm actually stranded and my car broke down, so I've been looking for someone to help me.
Sure you get someone go carry you go down. Hey, crazy. Let's call people maybe wires to me. No.
My phone is actually there, so I can't really make any call right now.
Voice on a lot of.
What?
Oh my god, they shot her.
What do you mean they shot the girl?
Those guys shot the girl, Madu.
What's she said looking for in the lonely place? And those drunk guys, are they not meant to be helping her?
What side is your bag, Abeg?
Hi, they just wasted that girl's life like that.
Abeg, what side is your bag? The show is over now.
Guy, why now? You don't keep speaking now. Why guy, calm down, man. You don't keep speaking now. Guy, calm down. You know they here say get dangerous. The guy for internet talk say she dangerous. And besides, now they give us a location. What did they do you? Okay, now drone they look us. What is up? Oh boy, guy, calm down. Calm down. Now you get gone. But forget that level now. See, motor dey, plate number dey, everything go soft now.
Ah, nah, they are all be that. More just be good, but you don't make sense.
Ah, it not down. Ah, no make sense at all.
Dumb boy, look what you done.
We just reached 2 million subscribers.
Oh, I'm going to jail.
Well, look at the bright side. When you're in jail, at least you remember that you have 1 million subscribers.
You're going to jail too.
Point of correction. I'm 17, no. Jail is not my place. I'm going somewhere else.
Dumb boy, look what you done.